Hi friends. So here I would like to, share some thoughts with you. So this is after a long time I'm going to give this video to you all. So let's see how this video is. So this is my some rules, like try to avoid sending some audios, videos, some text, some picture which is not related to that group. The group means WhatsApp messages. So avoid to send WhatsApp messages as much you can if you feel that is not important. I urge you, respect all the members and say thank you to this technology, this internet. Thank you to everyone who is listening this video. I request all the people in this group to complete this journey where we are learning so many things. This is sometime we are very lucky that we have this opportunity to learn these things. Am I right? Yes. For better result, you have to think, try to listen each and every video. Make your notes. If you have notes, if you have you have to take some notes with you. You have to take some copy books where you can write whatever I am saying. Maybe that is very helpful for future. And after that, once the video is finished, at least 5 minutes you recall everything, whatever you learned with this video. If you like it, you can spread this message as many people as possible. So my dear friends, let's begin this video with beautiful smile. A smile from your heart. And let's first thanks to this technology which is helpful to communicate each other in this world, and internet. Thank you so much. Is it amazing? The sitting at home, I don't know which part of the country or the world are listening these videos, my talk. Thank you so much everyone. To everyone, to you, and to this amazing technology. The first lesson I want to give you is about the 3 beliefs which are actually destroying more than else. I want to fully aware of that. Just by being aware of these 3 rules, just being aware, you can change a lot of things in your life. And the belief system are: the first one, I am not enough. The second belief is they are not enough. And the last belief is there is not enough. So these 3 beliefs is a very important to understand. Many of the people are affected with these three beliefs, but this belief is destroying everyone more than anything else, and it is damaging the human mind. Let me share with you. Sometimes some people are saying that I am not enough. Many people are updating this belief, and every time they are saying that I am not more than enough. And what they want? They want more than enough. The majority does not know how to be enough. And this majority people, they choose unwanted behaviors to prove the world that they are enough. Like, if their capacity is spend 10 lakh rupees in the marriage, they try to spend 20 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs in the marriage. Just prove that they are more than enough. They want to prove the relatives, friends, and neighbors that they are more than enough. When father go and get the report of the card of the son, then if there is a less marks, he started scold his son, and he believed that I am not enough. My son is having, he secure very less mark. Then instantly he decided and trying to feel guilty, and started beating his son, scolding his son. So when the person thinking that I am not enough, they try to buy expensive watches, expensive cars, and expensive interior to prove them, everyone, that I am more than enough. So he tried to understand that he wished that my son should have more marks, my marriage, my sister marriage should be so grand to prove that I am more than enough. So once he think like that, he get pressure, started taking drugs to ensure that he feel that I am more than enough. The second belief system is they are not enough. This belief system in a person, that person feel that the person in front of me is not more than enough. Always think that my team is not enough, but I am enough. The people is not doing good, but I am enough. He feel that I am doing good, but my wife is not doing good, so my wife is not more than enough. He started scolding to the staff, to the wife. He not care of the human being feeling, because he constantly feel that they are not enough. And third, the belief is there is not enough. When a person upgrades to his belief that there is not more than enough, might be fighting with anybody just for proof that. The fight with brothers, father, for some small piece of a property, because he's constantly feel that there is not enough. That's why I need to acquire more and more for my son, for my grandchildren. Doesn't mean that you become greedy, and he unconsciously, he doesn't know that he is becoming greedy day by day. He feels that materialistic thing is more important than human life, human beings. So automatically start the value the things rather than people. He loves his bike more than enough, more than human heart. My dear friends, anything when you're trying to buy, just check it is from belief that I am not enough. And most of the people actually doing the decision out of the belief that I am not enough. We all can manage 10,000 rupees, but we run behind this money, and they want to achieve this, and maybe sometimes they feel guilty to take the money, to earn the money, what the way they decided. So many decisions some person took out of this belief. When the people feel out of this belief, they feel very happy. If they have a belief that I am more than enough, then they feel blessing. I am more than enough, then I can share my things with the people. I am more than enough because I am alive. I am more than enough because I have a kids, I have a great family, I have a beautiful wife, and feel like I am more than enough. Sometimes some people are refused to accept this, that I am more than enough. But trust me, my dear friends, whenever you feel that I am more than enough, you feel great. You feel blessing. You feel like you are the champion of this world. And you have started accumulating blessing out of the world. And right from the beginning, you feel very great. Sometimes we are operating with the belief that I am not enough, that I am not enough, they are not enough, there is no enough. Once the belief comes that I am enough, there is enough, and they are more than enough, we started to receive the good vibes, the good energy. And there is a third category also. The people believe that I am more than enough, there is a more than enough, and they are more than enough. These are the people who is creating huge empire in their life, and they become good actor, good model, and good father, and good boss. I'm sure you can relate these things. So I like to give something to you that you go and identify which kind of people around you who is having this belief that I am more than enough, there is a more than enough, and they are more than enough. So once you started searching these people, you will find that whose people who is thinking like I am more than enough, and there is a more than enough, and they are more than enough, they are more happy compared than who is believing that they are not more than enough, I am not more than enough, and there is more than enough. So now the task is, you have to start believe that I am more than enough, they are more than enough, and there is more than enough. Now after this, my dear friends, you start feeling good, and you see that if you give to your subconscious mind this thought, after some time, maybe 10 days, you start to doing like this, that you are more than enough, there is a more than enough, and they are more than enough. You start believing and act like this and searching such kind of people who is surrounding you, and see, after 10 days, I guarantee you, after 10 days, you will feel amazing. Okay, thank you friends, listening this video very carefully, very with good patience, because patience is also very important. It's playing very important key role in your life. So my blessing, my love is with you, and keep growing and keep watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe this video and share. If you feel that it's impacting your life, share this video. Share as you can. You can change any other lives. You will feel great, because you are going to take this chance to grow to someone. Thanks a lot.